in multiple ways actually. Mainly what I have been seeing for last year and a half is people who are having injuries at home and having fractures at home tend to not come to the hospital, stay at home hoping that it will get better. But not all fractures do get better at home just by taking a rest. They do need hospital care, and sometimes patients come to us so late that it's difficult to treat them. Second type of problem COVID people have is that after suffering from COVID, many people have joint pains, many people have bone pains, which can be easily treated with certain supplements and exercises. They are self-limiting, they get better. Okay. Third type of problem, which we really need to understand, is a COVID-related problem, more because of medications which have been life-saving and had to be given during the COVID times to the patient. One of this medication group is known as steroids. You must have heard that somebody was given prednisolone, somebody was given some other steroid for some time, maybe at home, maybe in the ICU as a life-saving measure in the COVID treatment. But then there are sometimes side effects associated with that. The commonest side effect, which you must have read in newspaper, heard in the media, is known as AVN, avascular necrosis, or bone death in very simple terms. Don't be afraid about it. It's not death as such. Bone death means what happens because of giving steroids, some bones in the body, our hip joints, tend to get damage to their blood supply. That is the hip joint. This is a pelvis X-ray. Our hip joint is a ball and socket joint, and these are the balls of which the blood supply gets damaged, and then slowly a condition called AVN, avascular necrosis, or bone death develops. We have known about this condition for last many decades. I've been myself treating patients of AVN and bone death for last 30 years with various modalities of treatment. It's nothing to be afraid about. If you have had COVID, if you have had steroids, if you are worried, please come and see me. I will guide you correctly. Early diagnosis is the key. I know exactly what to look for in an AVN patient, and if diagnosed early, it can be treated very easily with medicines mostly. Let's see what happens in AVN. That's the normal pelvis X-ray. In AVN, this ball gets damaged, and you can see in this patient, you can see that the head has crumbled. It has fallen apart to pieces because the blood supply was damaged. So, early stages, what happens when the blood supply gets damaged, we are able to diagnose that on the MRI scan. So often we can do MRI screening to do an early diagnosis even before symptoms arrive. When symptom comes, you tend to get pain in the hip joint, and then the deterioration happens over next years or so. It's not very quick. In very early cases, we start medications. In slightly late cases, we can do stem cell therapy. The medicine is really advanced now. We can treat the bone death by stem cell therapy, and the patient becomes normal in most circumstances. In those cases where the AVN progresses or does not respond to treatment, the joint gets damaged. That is when we can replace the damaged joint and convert it to a total hip replacement. A total hip replacement is a prosthetic ball and socket joint which can last for 20, 30, even 40 years. It's a very successful operation. I have a model here of a hip replacement to show you. That is the hip replacement. You can see that it has got a socket, it has got a ball. It's a very nice type of operation which is extremely successful. So friends, take home message. COVID does affect bone and joints. Mainly it's neglect because of people not coming to hospital. Please don't do that. Second is steroids affecting your bones and making your hip joints blood supply damaged. Come to me early. I'll help you out and we'll pull you out of that. Nothing to worry about. It's very much treatable problem. We have always known about it and we have fully understood this problem. Unlike COVID, AVN or bone death is a well understood problem in which treatment is very successful. Thank you.